how to turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to take more control over your iPhone camera, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to quickly disable autofocus on your iPhone camera. Now let's dive right in. First, open the camera app on your iPhone and then make sure that you're pointing it at the subject you want to photograph. So next, tap and hold the area that you want to focus. So hold it for a couple of seconds. You will see the words AE/AF lock appear on the screen. This means now your focus is locked. So with the AE/AF lock enabled, you can swipe up or down to adjust the exposure manually without changing the focus. This gives you more creative control over your shots. Now when you're done, simply tap and hold anywhere else on the screen to turn off the autofocus. And it's removed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.